Hi viewers, welcome to Pen. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click Aristocrat fountain pen. And this is the outer box of this pen. Each pen comes along with a box like this. And this pen is made in India from Maharashtra. I am taking this out. Wow, this is so nice. A blue color transparent fountain pen. And this video is specifically taken to give you all details about this pen because just with photos you can't understand most of the details. So here, this pen has a silver trim set and a silver clip here, and two silver rings on the cap, and here the brand's name Click was stamped. And this is a thread type mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to open this. And this is number 35 nib with fine tip flex nib 1 and SSF 1. And for this pairs you can check our site pen.in, and you go to our site and click pen pairs, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And especially we are having number 35 nibs in all size like fine, medium, broad and flex, and with gold dual tone and with silver plated nibs also. And also the normal writing register model nibs also can be swapped in this pen. And here the choice is yours. And here I'm going to give the whole measurements of this pen. So the holding area, the grip portion diameter is 10.71. This very good the holding diameter is a bigger one, so this pen is more suitable for the adult who have bigger fingers. And the reservoir's diameter is 12.8 mm, that is. And again, with the height of this pen without cap, this is 129.4 mm, and with cap this is 137.5 mm. And yeah, with this you can easily understand this reservoir capacity is more, so you can fill more than 3 or 4 ml in this reservoir. So, and also with this length and the breadth, you can understand this pen's holder, like which pouch will suits this pen and all. And as this is a transparent body pen, please do not use primary color ink so that it will create a stain on the wall. So yeah, that's upon your wish. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage from the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing inside. And slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. I think you may experience this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposit and dirt, please remove the feeder unit and nib separately by holding this and twist this. This will come easily, and then you can pull this from here, or otherwise you can soak this by here, this itself. If you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and then brush and clean this full feeder area. And in some ink bodies itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean pen with water. And yeah, so unless otherwise we have good maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on maintenance, all the threads are turned to worn out, so please apply silicone grease or Vaseline over this grip portion whenever you are opening and closing this grip area during ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads of this barrel. If you fill in excess, this will lead to a leakage path, so yeah, then you will spoil your hands. And again, this is a eyedropper fountain pen, and this is the multiple ink filling system. This is one of the biggest advantage of this pen. You can use cartridges and converters for this. You can use cartridge, you can directly push this in the feeders portion, and means the grip portion. And here this is converter. You have to move this part up and dip in the ink and pull this back. The ink will be filled this portion, and you can directly fix this. This is so simple, and this is a very good advantage of this pen. And this will come along with the pen itself. And here The another thing, few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines like this. This will create a space in between this tine, so it will the ink flow will come out good, and then you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure both tines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And here I'm going to give the writing sample of this. For that I'm using our Pen House Emerald Green ink. Yeah, this is writing so good, and I said already, in Click brand Aristocrat fountain pens writing was so smooth, and this is a flex writing. And for better flex videos you can see our YouTube channel. And yeah, this is the width of this nib. Yeah, if you have any query about this pen you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call on to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.